I'm Scott with Marcs Mobility. Today we're going over how to install anti-tip wheels onto the GoGo Super Portable scooter, so stay tuned. The GoGo Super Portable was released a few months ago, and when it was released it did not have anti-tip wheels, so if you wanted to roll the unit around while it was folded like this, you'd have to set it into neutral and you'd wheel it on the drive wheels. The problem is those had a lot of resistance and it made it a lot more difficult to pull. Now with these anti-tip wheels, when you pick the unit up, you should easily be able to roll it around just like it's luggage. And with these wheels on, it will still rest up vertically like it initially was. So when the unit first released, it did not have these installed. From this video forward, it should be standard on the unit pre-installed. But if you have one that does not have these, this video will show you how to install them. You can call or contact your local dealer, see if they can get you some of these for your unit. Before we get started, I do have links to this unit in the description below. If you have any questions or you want to order one of these, click one of those links. Also, please like and subscribe. It really helps the channel out and we really appreciate it. Don't forget to hit the bell for the notifications. And now I'm going to show you how to install these anti-tip wheels. Now I have the scooter flipped on its side. Make sure it's somewhere you're not going to scratch the unit, but it should just rest on these two wheels. I prefer to do this while the scooter is folded as well, so you're not putting any pressure on the tiller. But as you can see, I have the first one already installed, so that's what it's going to look like. It's just going to rest right there. So I'm going to install this one right here. So you have these two Allen screws. They're 5mm Allen. And on the other side is a lock nut. This is a 10mm. So you're going to get a wrench in there that's 10mm. They do give you extra screws. You might not have to need them because you could reuse these if you want and just keep those as a spare. But I'm going to go ahead and take these out. There we go. I have these out. There is washers on the other side, so try to not drop them into your scooter. The next step is pretty straightforward. These are just going to go right where this bar was. It's just going to replace it. So I'll stick this in first, and I'm just going to try to start one of these. There's a washer on the other side you want to stick in. So I've got that side started. I'll try to start this other side. This does bend a little bit, this metal. So as you tighten it, it'll flatten out a little more. But I'm going to start this side too. And just kind of hand thread it. Then I'll come back with my Allen wrench and my 10mm wrench. And just make sure both sides are tight. There we go, both sides are tight, and now we have both of our anti-tip wheels installed. This has been how to install anti-tip wheels on the GoGo Super Portable scooter. Remember, if you like this video, please subscribe, give it a like. It really helps out the channel and it really helps us as a business. If you have any questions, give us a call or visit our website at marcsmobility.com. And thank you for watching.
Hi, I'm Marc.
And my name is Alex. We're co-owners of Marcs Mobility.
I started this company in 1995.
We sell many products, not just what you see in this video. If you have any questions or concerns, please call us at the number below at 800-677-6293. Thank you and have a wonderful day.